In this video, I will show you how to count cells not equal to X or Y in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some text values in this column. Now I want to count the cells that are not equal to either apple or orange text. To count the cells that are not equal to one value or another, we can use the COUNTIF function. The COUNTIF function returns the count of the cells that match multiple criteria. We can specify more than one pair of cell ranges and criteria arguments to this function. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type COUNTIF followed by an opening bracket. Select the range of the cells as the first argument. Our first condition will be not equal to apple, so let's type that in the double quotes. Select the same range of the cells as the third argument. The second condition will be not equal to orange, so let's type that in the double quotes. Type the closing bracket to complete the formula. The COUNTIF function uses the AND operator to join the multiple conditions. When we combine these two conditions, it means that count all the cells in the given range that are not equal to apple and not equal to orange. As you can see, we now have the count of the cells that are not equal to either value. We can also use the SUMPRODUCT function to count the cells that are not equal to either of the values. Here is the formula to do that. There are two parts of the formula. The first part compares the cells in the given range with the apple text and returns an array of 5 elements containing false, true, true, true and false. The true value is returned if the cell is not equal to the apple text, and the false value is returned when the cell is equal to the apple text. Similarly, this part of the formula compares the cells with the orange text and returns an array of 5 elements containing true and false values depending upon the contents of the cell. The multiplication creates a Boolean logic between these two conditions and returns an array of 5 elements containing 0, 1, 0, 1 and 0. The value 1 is returned when the elements located at the same index in both of the arrays are true, and 0 is returned when at least one of the elements is false. Finally, the SUMPRODUCT function sums up the array elements and the result of that is 2. As you can see, we now have the count of the cells not equal to apple or orange text. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.